Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Alder Impulse Candle Color Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us to clearly and effectively identify the current market trend. When the candles on the chart are green, it indicates that an uptrend is occurring, and when the candles are red, it indicates that a downtrend is taking place. Also, when the candles are blue, it shows ranging areas or periods before a trend begins. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
This indicator uses two technical indicators, OSMA and EMA, for trend calculations. We can enter the settings for OSMA here, the fast moving average period, the slow moving average period, and the signal line period. And for the EMA indicator, we can also simply set its period here. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.